Hi guys, welcome back to Home Trucks. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a cheesecloth ghost garland using cheesecloth and some cotton. Let's get started. So you are going to take a rectangular piece of cheesecloth and stuff a cotton ball inside. Make sure it's somewhat round and tie it up. Now this is done. We are going to paint a mouth and eyes using some black paint. Now make as many as you want or need. They don't need to be identical. And now we are going to string these on a macrame thread. Now you're going to tie these up. And here is our cheesecloth ghost garland all done.